High above a deep valley in China, there exists a bridge so extreme. Its look almost impossible, floating between mountain and often hidden in cloud. This is one of the most breathtaking engineering achievements in the world. Built across a massive canyon in a remote mountainous region, this bridge connects two steep cliffs separated by hundreds of meters. The scale alone is enough to challenge. But the biggest challenge was not the height, it was the terrain. With no flat ground below and no easy access, traditional construction methods simply could not be used here. Engineers first studied the terrain in detail using advanced surveying tools, drones, and simulations. They carefully plan every step of the construction process. The entire bridge depends on a strong foundation. Massive anchor systems were built deep into the mountain rocks to hold the enormous tension of the suspension cable. To begin construction across the valley, engineers used helicopter to carry lightweight pilot cables from one side to the other. This was one of the most critical and risky steps. Once the pilot cable were in place, once they gradually replaced with thick steel cable, this main cable from the backbone of the bridge carrying its entire load. Tower structures were then built to support the cable. These towers help distribute the load and keep the bridge stable under different conditions. With the cable ready, the bridge deck was assembled piece by piece. Workers installed steel sections while suspended high above the valley, a truly dangerous task. The cable were then carefully tensioned. Even a small miscalculation could affect the entire structure. So, engineers ensured perfect balance and alignment. Safety systems, barriers, and monitoring equipment were installed to ensure long term stability and safe operation for vehicles crossing the bridge. Before opening, the bridge was tested using heavy vehicles to simulate real world load. Engineers monitor every movement to confirm its strength and reliability. Today, vehicles cross this bridge daily, reducing travel times and connecting regions that were once isolated. At night, the bridge transformed into a glowing structure above the valley, creating a stunning visual that highlights both beauty and engineering brilliance. This is more than just a bridge, it's a symbol of human innovations, providing that even in the most impossible conditions, engineering can find a way.